Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a Christmas teacup vignette. So I had this teacup and saucer that I got at a thrift store for like 50 cents a while ago. These two cute little Rudolph ornaments from Target. A little pink Christmas tree, I had this on hand. Some fake snow. Some floral foam. I did grab some fiberfill, but I did not end up using it. I also used a piece of ribbon and 2 small snowflakes. So the first thing I did was fill my teacup with the floral foam. Then I'm going to hot glue my little tree right into the floral foam. Then I took one of the reindeer and I cut the hanger off of it. And then I'm just going to put some glue on its hooves and glue that right next to the tree. And once I have that attached, I'm going to stake some hot glue and run it around the top of all of the floral foam and then add my faux snow to that. So once I have enough faux snow on there to cover my floral foam, I'm going to take some hot glue and put a little bit on the bottom of the cup, and then I'm going to glue that right into the center of my saucer. Then I'm going to take some faux snow and add it around the edges of my saucer. Then I'm going to take a piece of ribbon that I had, and I'm just going to tie that right onto the handle of the cup and just tie it in a cute little bow. And I think the bow looks super cute. Then I added a little bit of more faux snow to the saucer. I just felt like it needed a little bit more. Then I went into my stash and grabbed a couple of little snowflakes, and I'm going to hot glue one right to the top of the tree. And then I had another one that's like a 3D snowflake that I added right in between the reindeer and the tree on the saucer. And I just added a little bit of hot glue and stuck it in. And I feel like that just kind of gave it a little extra something. You can add whatever you want. You can use whatever you have on hand to fill one of these cups. I just used things that I already had, except for the reindeer. I saw those the other day and just had to get one. So how adorable is this? It's super cute, super easy, and like I said, you can use whatever you have on hand for your little miniatures and just fill up a thrift store teacup. These would make a really cute gift. It also would look really cute sitting on a tiered tray or just on a shelf. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found some inspiration in this video, and please, as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.